Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy M56 5G with metal camera deco. Premium glass back design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED Plus display, with 6.74 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, approximately 89% screen to body ratio, 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 382 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear, that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 and 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 12 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 7 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 6 generations of OS upgrades and up to 6 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.75 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Exynos 1480, 4nm chipset, paired with Xclipse 530 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162 by 77.3 by 7.2 mm, and it weights around 180 grams, and the color options, black, light green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with monospeakers support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M56 5G has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, including 3,000 bank discount. Offer. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy M56 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.